local news that matters. You're watching KLBK Bright and Early.
Welcome back. So Gene Valentini joins us now. He's the director at the Office of Dispute Resolution for Lubbock County. They are hosting more free sessions about how you can resolve a legal dispute, teach you all about the judicial system and what this whole thing is in partnership with the Legal Aid of Northwest Texas. So how did those classes go last time?
Very interesting. We had a diverse group, a number of different topics, and then after everybody asked their questions in a very generic sense, we allowed them to go down and meet with the law librarian, and she spent about a half hour with them. So the first session was about an hour with me and listening to me and answering the questions, and then the second part was with the librarian.
Now you mentioned the questions. What are some of the most common questions that you get, some of the questions that surfaced the most in that kind of session?
Good question, and each one was a little bit different.
Yeah.
One gentleman, he did not want to file a lawsuit, and he was having a neighbor dispute where another, it's already been filed on, and like, what do I do?
Right.
And had no clue what was going to happen. So I think that there's a level of uncertainty about the future, and I think that's what the questions generally are, is what should I expect? And like I said last time, it's not Judge Judy, so you know, we just try to prepare them a little bit better.
And some of these situations can be very complicated, very scary and intimidating. I want to show you this flow chart. This is a typical civil case flow. I don't know if we can get a shot of this. Typical civil case flow, and there's quite a few steps to this process. So this is the type of thing that y'all kind of go over,
That's
right?
correct. And then also, if they don't follow through, let's say they start and they initiated the lawsuit, and happens with Justice of the Peace Court cases, is they don't finish, or a family case, they don't finish, so it just disappears. And everybody thinks, well, what happened? Or asks what happened, and what do I do? And so it's not really resolved, and just lingers out there and dies.
Wow, so this is kind of a way to keep track of it, keep track of all the steps, and make sure you stay on top of it.
Correct.
Okay, so y'all have some more sessions coming up, just in case you missed the last ones. There's one coming up this month, and then two more, right?
Correct. We have two planned for March, and we have one on the 21st of this month. And all we do is ask people to call and let us know they're coming, and in that way we've got enough material for everybody, and we're going to let the librarian know how many people would be coming downstairs to the third floor. Who
is eligible to attend?
Anybody.
Okay.
There's no income restrictions, there's no age restrictions, there's absolutely nothing. We want anybody and anybody to come and learn what they need to learn, because it can be a challenging situation.
It can be daunting, absolutely. Yeah. All right, Gene, thank you so much for being with us
again.
again.
And happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.